Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use the count of formula of Excel. What does the count of formula do? Well, it finds out that in a given range how many cells are not empty. Like it says counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Like for this example over here, once we type the formula name, we open the brackets and then we select this range and it will give us an answer that 8 cells are not empty. Over here I have put in the wrong formula. Let me take that away. So 8 cells are not empty in this range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it has this cell has symbols, this cell has alphabets, and these cells have numbers. It is counting everything. That is, it will only ignore cells which are empty like this one. So if I delete the content of this cell, it will say the answer is 7. That 7 cells are containing something in them and are not empty. So this is how you use the count of formula. You can use it like we did it in a continuous row or range, sorry, or in separate ranges like we type in count R. If we press tab, the bracket would automatically get placed and we can select these 3 cells, comma, so this becomes one range, these 3 cells and close the bracket. And so now it has calculated 2 ranges. Same way you can actually input it using one cell at a time, but that doesn't make sense. Let me show you how. So value 1, we select this, comma, value 2, we select this, so on and so forth. And once you close the bracket, it will tell you these 2 cells are not empty. So this is how you use the counter formula in Excel. See you in the next video.